Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new filter feature in archived posts on Facebook using your PC. This update makes it much easier to find specific posts from certain dates by narrowing down your search. Let's go through the steps. 1. First, open Facebook on your PC. 2. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile. 3. On your profile page, click the 3 dots next to your cover photo to open a menu. 4. From the menu, choose Archive. This will bring up a list of all your archived posts. 5. Now, to filter through your posts, click on the Filter option at the top of the archive page. 6. You'll be given the option to choose a specific year, then a month, to narrow down your posts. Select the year and month that you're looking for. 7. After you've selected the right date range, click on Save Changes. This will apply the filter and show you only the posts from that particular period. 8. Now, scroll through your filtered posts and find the one you want to view or restore. And that's it. Using the filter in your archived posts on Facebook makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.